Hello. In this video, we'll be going over the Gallery tab of the Campus Labs website. This will allow you to organize the images that are pertaining to your organization. To access this, click on the three-line drop-down menu and go to the Gallery tab. This will take you to the Gallery Hub that displays the albums in your club. So for here, you can see that I have a test album already out. This is where it would be presented if you were to make an album. So to view the album, you would just click on this. Here you would get the album details, when it was updated, when it was created, a description, the photos and videos in the gallery, and the visibility status. Given that we have administration privileges as officers, we can edit album and delete atom from here as well. But let's go back to the Gallery Hub to address how to create an album for your organization. So just click this Create Album button, and it will give you these options. So to create the album, you'd give it a name. This one is Hey, a description, what this says, Test, and the visibility. So this could be a public, institutional, institution being the institution of UAH, organization, which is the club itself, or private, which is just the officers of the club. So we create the album. From here, we can edit the album as before, be it the name, the description, the visibility. We can also add photos with 10 files per upload, so just 10 files at a time, or videos, either YouTube or Vimeo videos, and then it would log it into these galleries. And this is good for being able to maintain a visual database of photos and videos pertaining to your organization.